Resetting for Sonos Move 2. To reset the device, hold the Bluetooth button down at the back, and while holding the Bluetooth button, also press the power button and continue to hold both buttons down for around 7 seconds until the light on the front turns from white to orange and white. And when you depress the buttons, the orange and white will turn green, indicating it's ready to be set up. Open the Sonos app. Click the cogwheel icon, and you can either add the Move immediately as it's showing up, or if you weren't able to do that, you could scroll to the bottom of this page here and click Add Speaker or Component. You can click Add and it will start the adding process. Press Continue. If you get a message like this, follow the instructions on screen. Otherwise, you should see your Sonos Move 2 being added to your Sonos system. You have successfully added your Move 2 to your Sonos system. Click Done. You can also use TruePlay to tune the acoustics of the Move 2 to the room and the environment that you're in. The Move 2 features Auto TruePlay, which allows it to adjust to the surroundings that it's in for optimal sound quality. And that's how you set a Sonos Move 2.